Sayın dostlar, bugün bize dostlar Hakkı'nın yani üzerinize kibri bilen olsa kötü vaat edin. Olsun diyor, olsun kolumuza koyuyoruz yani.
Really wish you'd let us in. I think I speak for all of us when I say I understand why you folks might hesitate to submit to our demand. But here's an FYI, you're all gonna die screaming. We're not unreasonable. I mean, no one's gonna eat your eyes.
Bizim de olsun
We're at an impasse here. Maybe we should compromise. If you open up the door, we'll all come inside and eat your brains.
Sizce de uzun
But is this really your plan? Spend your whole life locked inside a mall.
Fazla tartıp bu anda geçti
Maybe
geldim.
that's okay for now, but someday you'll be out of food and guns. Then you'll have to make the call.
Yine bu Ankara
Not
ve
surprised
bu
to see
onlarımız
you haven't thought it through
şimdi
enough.
Happy Madde'nde yine
Never had the
Abi
head
neler
for all
oldu?
that bigger
Yok
picture
modlar.
stuff.
Son modlarını
Tom,
o
that's
son
what I
modlarını
do, and I plan on eating you slowly. We're not unreasonable. I mean, no one's gonna eat your
Cool.
eyes.
Ülkenin başarısında ülkenin sesi
We're at an impasse here.
başlayına
Maybe we
ülkenin
should compromise.
tartmasını sabah bahsedilen yılın olması ile savunması.